This is kidnapping. This is fucking kidnapping. This is kidnapping. Kidnapping!
Step out.
Kidnapping!
Step away from the car, man.
Kidnapping!
Ma'am.
My father will fucking...
Now, you want to go to
You want to arrest me? My father will fucking...
I don't care.
On July 28, 2023, officers at Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport.
Don't take this disrespect. She came from the front seat and said, I don't give a fuck who you work for, what you talk. I said, ma'am. And what I'm saying is, what I'm representing right now has nothing to do with Frontier. What I'm telling you is, them leaving out, Layton has nothing to do with me and my friend taking videos behind you. She was upset because I told the A flight attendant, I asked who was the flight attendant, who was the A, so I can figure out whether or not we can get free alcohol and beverages. I'm not drunk. I'm not belligerent. We asked because. Oh, that's not a problem. Just get your bag. Just get your bag. Just get your bag. Just get your bag. Because if I gotta get some shit, I'm gonna start swinging. All right?
Okay. Ma'am, I don't want to touch you, but you still be careful.
Another passenger. I'm not drunk. I'm not belligerent. We asked because, according to me, working for Frontier.
You work for Frontier?
Yes, sir.
What do you do for Frontier?
I'm a gate agent. I used to be a gate agent. Now I work for the front ticket counter.
Where?
I no longer.
Where location?
I work at the front ticket counter, sir.
You work here in Atlanta?
Yes, here in Atlanta. So again, I know the rules. I worked as a gate agent. I asked her who was the A. Who was the A flight attendant? No.
You haven't had no drink?
I had a drink prior to I got to the gate. Again, sir, I'm not drunk. I have had a drink.
I didn't say you was.
No, I know you didn't. But I'm saying, again, I have had a drink.
But you gotta understand.
But did I not communicate with you? Was I not absolutely eloquent and deliberate flight or no?
One person at a time.
No, be quiet. This has nothing to do with you. Can we go on our flight or no? Jack,
okay,
be quiet. You need to be quiet. Listen, baby.
One person at a time.
Listen, talk to me. I work here. Listen. I don't want to talk to her. Listen. I'm talking. Okay, I want you to talk to me. No, really, listen. Jazz, I need you to stop. Listen. This had we did not have a problem on this flight. Is she leaving? No, she's coming. I want you guys to understand that this is where the problem comes in. Because if I walk on a flight, do you have a bag? Okay, do you have a bag on the plane?
Young lady.
I don't have a bag on the plane. No, I have one underneath the plane. Yes. Because this is discrimination. She's upset because she doesn't understand. I understand because I work here.
You're upset, but there's ways to go about it.
I understand. She's not.
There's ways to go
She's
about
upset. I have been drinking, but I'm not to the point where I do not understand. Sean,
That's what this is.
Listen,
I need you to stop.
is that somebody's bag?
This has nothing to do. Are y'all serious?
I'm sorry, what?
That's her bag.
Oh, okay.
That's sometimes that she
Okay.
does not understand how the airline works. It takes 2 seconds for y'all to stop the plane. We were not doing anything.
The way you conducting yourself, come on.
I understand. You know how to make a complaint. That's all you have to do.
Yes, make a complaint. Come on.
All right, that's good.
No, I would really like if y'all would stop the
Young
airline.
lady, it doesn't matter.
If you work
here, you already know it's gone. The
It did not have to be going that fucking fast, though.
The captain is the
But
boss.
it did not have to.
Ma'am.
If y'all understood what happened.
Okay.
That late.
Are you on? We gonna have a yelling match here?
I'm not trying to yell.
But you're sure doing a good job of yelling.
Mr. Tucker.
Okay.
Can you
listen?
No.
The captain already made his decision.
Okay, so he's
It's done
leaving,
and over
right?
with.
Can me and you?
I have nothing to do with the airline.
So you have nothing to do with it.
No, come on.
You can't have a conversation with me right now, Mr.
We
Tucker.
can walk and talk.
Without any ex, my friend is
Walk
clearly
and
upset. You
talk.
can't have a conversation right now.
Walk and
Without
talk.
my friend who's
Why are you
clearly
yelling?
upset.
What are you doing with this young lady?
Officer of Alameda County Police.
Okay, then stop. Let's take you to the front.
Do not touch
Come on.
me.
Come on.
It will be a lawsuit. My father is Alameda County
That's good. That's good. That's good.
I have not done anything
Come on.
to you.
Get your
I
stuff
am
and
not
come on.
fighting.
Come on. Get your
I
stuff
am
and
not
come on.
fighting.
Come on. Get your stuff. Where's your car at?
My car is right here.
Come on, take it.
All right, come on. Grab your shoes. Grab your shoes.
You're an
Come
agent
on.
for
This.
Did I break any laws? Did I break any laws?
Good.
You understand?
Come on. Okay, the next thing is you're going to jail for criminal trespass.
I'm willing to walk
You're
out
going
of
to
here.
criminal trespass.
I'm trying to figure out how to walk out.
We're trying to be as nice
If you want
as
to yell, we
possible.
can yell.
Mr.
Grab your
Bruno, let's
shoes.
walk, because I'm
Let's
done
go
with this
this way.
ignorant coward.
Yeah,
Mr. Bruno, are you willing to walk this way?
No, we gotta go this way,
Fuck
miss.
you.
Yep.
Can we walk this way?
Come on.
Fuck you.
That doesn't
Come on,
bother
come
me.
this
Can
way,
we
please.
walk this way?
No, ma'am. We gotta
Me
go this
and
way.
you.
We gotta go this way.
What other
Please.
officer do we need in place to
We
walk
gotta
this
go
way?
this way.
Who else?
Because you have to. We have to.
Who else? Me, you, Mr. Bruno, and who else can walk
You know
outside
what?
of
Like I
here?
said, the next thing
I
is
have
criminal
not
trespass.
done anything.
You're not listening to us. We
Mr.
say, come
Tucker,
on.
you're-
Come on.
We being nice.
Come on.
My friend is this way. Can we go
Oh,
get my
no,
friend?
no.
Come on.
We'll get her after. Please.
Come on.
Let's go.
My
please.
friend is this
I'm
way.
going to get her after.
I didn't do anything.
You're not going to jail, but you're working yourself on
I
going
just
to
want to get
jail.
my friend. Can you go get her?
Where is she?
Can you go get my fucking friend? That's it. I didn't do anything.
Bring her friend, or
That's
you tell her
it.
friend
I work here.
meet her at the front.
Yes.
I work here. I offered to get off this
S6.
fucking plane.
Yes.
I offered.
Tell her.
I offered
Okay.
to get off the fucking plane.
I always say
I
that at night.
offered.
I don't care what you
I don't
offer.
give a fuck either. Bring my
Good.
friend here.
Okay. All right. Man, we ain't playing the games. Now, you want to go to
You want to
Clayton
arrest
County?
me? My father will fucking shoot.
Now, you want to go to
You want to
Clayton
arrest
County?
me? My father will fucking
I
shoot.
don't care.
I didn't do anything.
Now, you want to
I'm
leave on
willing
your
to
own?
participate.
Leave on your own. Come on. And participate and come on.
Well, bring my friend.
Come on.
If she don't come, we
Yo,
gonna have a problem.
first of all, do not push me.
Anything.
Do not push me.
I did not push you. If a motherfucker want to come at you weird as fuck,
We're not
I
coming at you
fucking
weird.
push these planes out every day.
All right, come on.
What is you talking about? I've never done any of this shit.
Come on.
What is you talking about? Stop touching me.
Okay, I'm not
Stop
gonna touch.
touching me.
I'm not gonna touch. Let me get
Stop
in.
fucking touching
I'm
me.
not touching. Let me get in.
Stop fucking touching me. What are you talking about? I never did shit to these people. I
Have a good day.
fucking work here.
Move your fingers.
703 radio.
Again, this is
Get your stuff.
kidnapping. This is fucking
I'm 26.
kidnapping.
I'm Molly.
This is kidnapping.
Step up.
Kidnapping.
Step out.
Kidnapping.
Step away from the car, man.
Kidnapping.
Ma'am, do not touch me. I
I didn't
promise
touch you, Mr.
Don't do
Bruno,
that.
with your short ass.
Stop.
Did you touch me? Did you touch me?
Ma'am.
Are you touching me? Did you touch me? Don't touch
Stop.
me. Don't touch me if you don't want to be touched. Don't touch me if you don't want to be touched. If you touch me first, you touch me first, right? Don't touch me if you don't want to be touched. Touch me.
Well, yo,
If you don't want to be touched.
that.
Did he touch me first? He touched me first, right? Don't touch me if you don't want to be touched. Touch me.
Okay, wait. Okay, put the cuffs on that, man.
Taking me to jail.
Put the cuffs on him.
I'm gonna come off my.
Put the cuffs on him.
Alameda County officer. He
That's
touched
good.
me first. I
That's
can
good.
touch him back. Did he not touch me? Did he not touch me? Officer Tucker, be for real. Did he not touch me?
Watch it, man. Come. Relax.
Oh, you guys. Wait. Hold on. I've never been arrested, miss.
Come on.
Did you not touch me?
Come on.
Did you not touch? Did he not touch me? Are y'all serious? Y'all know y'all going to jail, right?
That's good.
Can you grab my stuff?
Sit
Can you
down.
touch my stuff? My father's an Alameda
Put your
County.
toes up.
Y'all touch me first. I want to let y'all know.
Responded to a disturbance following a Frontier Airlines passenger removal. Identifying himself as a Frontier employee was ordered off the aircraft. Flight captain, a federal authority under 49 U.S.C. 44902. Statute grants the pilot in command absolute unilateral removal authority. It is not conditional on employee status, seniority, or airline tenure. This authority cannot be negotiated at the gate, and it cannot be overridden. The captain issues a removal order. Compliance is legally required immediately. To comply shifts the legal exposure from removal to criminal trespass. Code paragraph 16721. Criminal trespass is established when an individual remains on premises after receiving notice to depart from an authorized representative of the owner or rightful occupant. The airline operating under FAA authority qualifies as that rightful occupant. D. Communicating the removal order satisfies the notice requirement. At that point, continued presence in the gate area constitutes a criminal offense. Employment status is not a defense. The statute contains no such exception. The subject further invoked his father's affiliation with Alameda County law enforcement, an implied deterrent, suggesting leverage over the arresting officers. Argument carries no legal weight. Family ties to law enforcement do not suspend the operation of state criminal statutes or officer authority. Threatening litigation during an active encounter does not constitute a defense. Statements on camera reflect a fundamental misunderstanding of how law operates. Subject's use of profanity directed at officers is a separate legal question. Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451, 1987. Verbally abusive speech directed at law enforcement is protected by the First Amendment. Cannot arrest for language alone, and they did not do so here. The arrest basis was conduct, specifically refusal to comply with a lawful order. Conduct occupied distinct legal categories under constitutional law. Tucker applied de-escalation consistently, verbal commands repeated calmly. Before any physical contact was initiated, this is legally significant. De-escalation standards require officers to exhaust verbal options first. Tucker's conduct meets that standard across an extended, high-pressure encounter. Subject stated willingness to exit, but conditioned it on simultaneous demands. Retrieving his companion, recovering checked luggage, obtaining an acknowledgement. Conditional compliance is not compliance under Georgia law. Executing a lawful escort are not required to negotiate its sequence. Condition imposed extended the non-compliance period and the legal exposure. When the subject physically moved in a direction contrary to officer instruction, paragraph 16-24 became applicable. Obstruction of a law enforcement officer. Statute requires only that the officer be engaged in the lawful discharge of duties, and that the subject knowingly and willfully hinder that discharge. Both elements were satisfied on camera at this point in the encounter. Soft empty hand control was applied when verbal direction failed repeatedly. Under the use of force continuum, this is the appropriate next step for a subject who is verbally non-compliant but not yet actively violent. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, establishes the governing standard. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not in hindsight. Officers face two non-compliant subjects in a public terminal. Force applied. A guiding touch was proportionate to that resistance level. Subject repeatedly stated the escort constituted kidnapping. Is a legally incorrect characterization. Georgia Code Croft 16540 defines kidnapping the unlawful abduction or stealing away of a person without lawful authority. A lawful escort to an exit pursuant to a captain's removal order is not abduction. Lawful authority is the dispositive factor, and it was present throughout. Cuffs were ordered and applied after sustained verbal and physical non-compliance. Lago Vista, 503-2 U.S. 318, 2001. Supreme Court held that custodial arrest for a misdemeanor offense does not violate the Fourth Amendment, provided probable cause exists. Probable cause for criminal trespass was established and documented on camera. The arrest was constitutionally permissible under controlling Supreme Court precedent. Both subjects submitted to handcuffing without further physical resistance. Mission to arrest, while verbally objecting, is the legally correct approach. Physical resistance during a lawful arrest creates additional felony exposure, places both the subject and officers at heightened physical risk. The subjects made the right decision at the point of actual restraint. At the time of this analysis, the disposition of criminal charges remains unknown. Criminal paragraph 16721 was cited on camera as the basis for arrest. Court records, civil filings, and disciplinary outcomes could not be independently confirmed. Tucker receives a B+. Escalation was consistent and sustained before any physical intervention. Force was proportionate and escalated only when verbal direction was exhausted. An formal verbal citation of Georgia 16721 would have strengthened the legal record and potentially shortened the encounter. Bruno receives a C. Underlying grievance may have been legitimate, but his response was not. Invoking employment status, family law enforcement ties, and threatening litigation are not legal defenses. They are escalation tactics that increased his exposure. Additional compliance and physical redirection satisfied the elements of obstruction. Correct approach. Comply with the escort, then pursue formal legal remedies. Female companion receives a C+. Spontaneous interjections and escalating profanity obstructed orderly resolution. She receives marginal credit for submitting to restraint without physical resistance. Frontier Airlines receives a B. The representative applied standard conflict resolution protocol appropriately. An earlier, explicit invocation of 49 UCRA 44902 would have been stronger. 3 lessons from this encounter apply broadly to anyone in a similar situation. First, know the applicable statute before invoking your rights. Status. Personal relationships and verbal leverage carry no legal force once a lawful order has been issued and the elements of an offense are met. Conditional compliance and negotiation during a lawful escort are not options. First, contest the legality through proper legal channels afterward. Third, profanity is protected speech, but conduct determines criminal liability. The line between protected speech and obstructing a lawful order is precise. Crossing that line, even during what feels like an unjust situation, creates real exposure. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching.